welcome back to All Things Defender. Today we have the new lift pump. This was the old one that I took out a couple of days ago. Just doesn't prime at all on the little primer. So the new one has just turned up. Nice shiny new one, and you can actually hear, there you go, as we pump the primer you can actually hear it, which the other one doesn't at all. Didn't realise in the little kit that they give you, total load of parts, new pipes, new little Jubilee tips, new fuel pipe, so I'll renew everything, so hopefully we can get the car started today. So that's where the lift pump goes, just down there. I took the old one off a couple of days ago when I changed the fuel filter on my previous video, the service video. So if you haven't seen that one, I'll put a link up above. Go and check that one out, how to service your Defender. In the meantime, it's only a couple of bolts. Hopefully it won't take too long. We can get the new part put back on there and get the car running. Alright, although they have given us brand new pipes and everything, I think I'm going to leave these ones on. There's nothing wrong with these. And I think just by pulling them off, it could introduce a leak. So I'm going to leave those on and just screw on the new part. Basically, two little cap bolts through the holes, holding that on, and put the two fuel pipes back on, and then hopefully we can prime it back up again. So let's see if it is actually that easy. Nice new gasket on it, and then just hopefully tighten it up. As usual, just difficult to get into all these little tight spaces. There we go, that's the two little cap bolts either side. Now I just need to screw these back on to the top, that one and that one, and then we can prime it up with a little prime there, and hopefully this time it will work. That's the two pipes put back on. So all we need to do now is check that that little bleed nipple's loose, which it is. Sorry about the flicker, I'll turn that down, there we go. Now all we need to do, hopefully, is just pump this, and we should, in theory, get some fuel through.
2 hours later.
There we go, finally, pumping away. You can see just there, just the little bit of diesel just coming out the screw. So we can say that is now full. So we'll just tighten that little bead screw back up. Doesn't need to be tight, just nip it up. And then make sure the little lever is actually in its lock position, so fully up to the top. And then we'll go and see if it'll start. And the moment of truth. Ignition's on, all the lights are on. And let's turn the key. Nice. It works, finally. Yeah, really nice. And there we go, that sounded a lot better. So I'll conclude this video here. That was the replacement of the little lift pump there. Please like, subscribe, all that type of stuff for me, and hit that little notification bell so you can see when I next upload. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the next one.